أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Shubuhaat. Please explain more about it. Shubha is a thought, doubtful thought. That's how they translate it. Doubtful thought. Very common. We are living in a time of doubts and temptation. If I want to describe the 21st century, I'm going to say it's a time of doubts and of temptation. I shared this with some of you. Is 10 years ago when the woman came to me, I remember this very well. Like 11, 12 years ago, when a woman comes to me crying, usual problem is the son is marrying a non-Muslim. A few years later, the woman comes crying to me because her daughter is marrying a non-Muslim. Not anymore. Now, what is the issues? You name it. You know what I'm talking about. So Shubuhat is because it is one of the downsides of the internet. Because whoever wants can tape a video or a tape and put it on YouTube. And I and you, lay people, don't have knowledge. Listen, and especially if he is a good speaker or she is a good speaker, meaning they speak very well. They can sell you any thought. And that's what the Shubha is. And you start doubting. Doubting. I mean, the questions I get these days, I sometimes say, Allah have qalbi. Ya Allah, protect my heart. So this is what's Shubha. How do I fight it? How do I fight it? Number one, who are you learning from? إن هذا الدين إن هذا العلم دين فلينظر أحدكم ممن يأخذ دينه. This knowledge is religion. This is a saying they say to Rasulullah and to the Sahaba. This knowledge is religion. Look at who you are learning from. Not everyone go to a course or two courses or they speak very well and then they go on the internet and they have millions of followers and then they become scholar. And then some I know, I'm not talking about in the States, absolutely they have their own agenda. But if you listen to them, amazing. If you listen to them, I can't tell you how, it reminds me of an ayah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Surah Al-Munafiqeen, وَإِذَا رَأَيْتَهُمْ تُعْجِبُكَ أَجْسَامُهُم. If you look at them, you like the way they look. وَإِن يَقُولُوا تَسْمَعْ لِقَوْلِهِمْ. And when you hear what they are saying, you listen. كَأَنَّهُمْ خُشُبٌ مُسَنَّدَةٌ. They are like empty piece of wood. قَاتَلَهُمُ اللَّهُ. May Allah find them. So be very careful, very careful. Unfortunately, we don't read anymore. We don't go back to the original books. We don't. You want the cook, I call it the Burger King meal. Wallahi. 5 minutes. If the lecture is more than 5 minutes, you don't have any more patience. So this is what is the shubha. That my knowledge or things that we call it al-ma'loom bid-deen min al-darura, that is absolutely fundamental knowledge about this deen, it's becoming now questionable. Start with hijab, start with why cannot I pray during my period, why I cannot fast and I have my period, all these things. Let alone the feminism and all the questions from the woman, why he can do this, I cannot do that. This is all shubuhat. Be careful. When this starts coming to you, ask Allah to keep you. That's why, Ya muqallib al-qulub, thabbit qalbi ala deenik. The commonest dua for Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam. Commonest dua. He, what about me? Ya muqallib al-qulub, the one who you turn hearts. Keep my heart steadfast on your deen. And now you can see what he predicted alayhi salatu wasalam. The time is going to come A person who is holding to his deen like the one who is holding to a hot coal. Because everyone else is different. Everyone else is different. Why I am different? Why do I have to be the one who doesn't do this? So this is what it's Shubuhat, is when it starts to be thoughts. Shubuhat is thoughts. Shahwa is my inclinations. I love it. I like it. Usually this works on this. Or I like it, so I start justifying it. Subhanallah, may Allah protect us, Ya Rabbi. Ameen.